dive into Mind Syrup, your sweet spot for science and technology enlightenment.
Hey there, science enthusiasts. Have you ever wondered if the air around us could do more than just fill our lungs? What if I told you it could power our homes too? Sounds like a page from a sci-fi novel, right? But guess what? It's not fiction anymore. Scientists are on the brink of a revolutionary breakthrough that could change how we think about energy. Let me introduce you to a fascinating concept where scientists are extracting electricity from the air's moisture. Yes, you heard that right. The air moisture that makes your glasses fog up on a chilly day could soon power your phone or even your house. This incredible innovation centers around something called bacterial nanowires. These aren't your average wires. They are microscopic filaments produced by bacteria. Surprisingly conductive, these nanowires can harvest electrical charge from the environment. Here's how it works. The bacterial nanowires capture electrons from water vapor in the air. This process generates a small but significant amount of electric current. Imagine millions of these tiny bacteria working together. They could form a mini power station right in the air around us. But this isn't just about generating electricity. It's a sustainable alternative that could reduce our reliance on fossil fuels and decrease greenhouse gas emissions. In a world facing climate change, solutions like these are not just innovative, they're crucial. The potential applications are mind-boggling. We could see moisture-powered sensors in remote areas, devices that charge themselves while you hike in humid environments, or even new ways to power satellites and spacecraft. The possibilities are as boundless as the clouds. To all the young scientists watching, this could be your field to explore. The race is on to refine and scale up this technology. It's an exciting time to be curious, to ask questions and to innovate. Maybe one day your phone will remind you to step outside not just for fresh air, but also for a quick recharge. Exciting times lie ahead, and who knows, the next big scientific breakthrough could be swirling in the air around you right now. So stay curious, keep exploring, and remember, the future of energy might just be a breath away. Thanks for watching.
Cherish knowledge, give a thumbs up, hit subscribe, explore science and tech.